Be kind to others.
Were three friends. They always liked to play with each other, but one of the friends was very naughty. His name was Eddie. He used to make fun of others, irritate them, fight and beat them, and used to forget the next day. One day, two friends were sitting very calmly and playing with each other. Eddie came and started to irritate them while teasing them. He hit them badly and went away forgetting everything. But from that day onwards, they started to ignore him. He was left alone. One day he was sitting alone crying because no one was playing with him. His teacher came, asked him about the reason. He told her the reason. She advised him to say sorry and promised not to trouble them. Like this, he said sorry and promised to never to hit them again. Like this, they again became friends. Moral: we should always be kind to others.